Good morning, and when today, sir. How are you?
Yo, I'm winning, my leader. Yo, God is great. God is great. That's the main
Yes.
thing. So you should.
Amazing, amazing. I said I love
yo.
your hoodie, sir. Red and black in Africa.
Afrika mfethu.
Man,
Hayi
ngiyayisheka,
siyabonga mfethu.
Talk to us ekuseni, Baba. We are hard hitting today.
Mfethu ngeke namhlanje mfethu. Yazi le ngxoxo namhlanje ngizozama nje ukuthi isishaye ngesikhathi esifanele because ingaba namanye ama sessions loaded kakhulu mfethu. Sikhuluma about understanding the mind games, the art of control and manipulation. Abanye ke abayifundayo lento bagxile kuyo baze bakhulume ngedark psychology. Ukuthi abantu basebenzisa kanjani ukuthi bakwenzisa izinto zabo. Ikhathe iningi isuke ifuna ukuglorify bona banciphise wena. So iyona ke lento yama mind games abantu abanokwadlala. Sometimes they do it in a subtle way, you don't even notice it. But njalo umuntu uyeye uthi yazi njalo makunale insizwa I feel like I'm being demeaned. Ngibona ngathi nje ivalue yami ayikho. Kufanele ngathi angichachazela around this guy, you know. Kanti khona ama mind games applyiwe. Angenze isibonelo mfethu, I think it was about 7 years ago ngake ngabona ivideo that I struggled to understand up until I did the research. President ababili mfethu bame eminyango bayabanga akayekho ufuna ukudlula ungena kuqala kulomnyango, you know. President ababili, these guys are leading countries, bahleli bame eminyango. Uthi omunye hayi usungangena, uthi omunye no, I'm not gonna go. Wena ufana ungene kuqala. Now uzoyibuza ukuthi wenziwa yini lo nto. Uma ubuka kakhulu eEurope mfethu kunale culture ukuthi umuntu superior akangeni kuqala, you know. That's why umuzothi yabuka kuya kube nalento ukuthi umuntu omkhulu yena uzovula umnyango bese mangaseceleni bangene laba abanye. Yes, you know, they have that authority and power. So these two guys understood that culture ukuthi laba lona umezothi angidlule kuqala njoba siyoshaya amadili kulela boardroom ngizongena sengiku weaker point. So I need to refuse and resist. So ubona president abawu2 mfethu bebanga akekho ufuna ukuyongena ngobani, they understood this thing. Ngidlule lapho mfethu ngeke ngabona president futhi okuyinake lento makuthi mhlambe kunesithangamo la kuno president abaningi kohle bekufana mase kufana abashuthi izithombe kuhleze kukhona upresident oyedwa noma ababili abazoma eceleni mase kufana kushuthwa izithombe babize the other guys ukuthi wozani madoda sizoshutha manje, you know. They have to exert that thing ukuthi I'm in control. They don't leave it kumuntu oshutha izithombe ukuthi akube yena ozoposition abantu. They take charge of that thing. And when they do that, they manipulate other leaders ukuthi qambe kudingidwa ama deals athile. Those other leaders mfethu sebeku weaker point uzodayisa ngezwi lakho because you feel like you are being controlled in this place, you know. So abantu abayinake lento mfethu yama mind games abantu abayidlalayo. Ngidlule mfethu manje from lento ye power sibuke mhlambe emsebenzini nakuma boardroom. I know a lot of people lokuthiwa kubona hey mfethu yazi kuzofika i-senior director la emsebenzini ithe ifuna sonke sibe ne-meeting nayo. Siyacela ke sizwe nawe Thulane nawe Mbali ningakhulumi bafethu e-meetingini ngoba sinomuntu senior la, you know. Kube ngazuthi manje uthola ukuthi yena nje befuna ukuba ne-conversation ne-staff but khona abantu asebeceliwe ukuthi sicela ungakhomonti kuzokhuluma le genge mhlambe yabaphathi, you know. Uya kuleyo meeting mfethu you are already usushayekile, you know. Uya kule meeting mfethu at times kuzoba khona something burning that you might want to share but angeke usakwazi ukuyishare. Uzothi uma ufika eboardroom uyithola usuqolozela ama-glass, you are even avoiding eye contact with the leader, yabo. And then so doing i-leader izokubona mfethu ukuthi ayilona kushuthi weak, you know. Lona kushuthi akanayo confidence, you know. Mind games leyo at times abantu abaningi abawadlala and ngiyayibona kakhulu laba abanye abantu kwamanye ama races ukuthi kube ngathi bona bay understand kangcono lento basishaye kakhulu thina sabantu. So you'll ask yourself a question, why ngingakhuli, you know. But uma usuthi uyacubungula that these other guys they play these mind games in fact azokudimina khona nento mfethu abayibiza nge-negative humor, you know. Ukuthi uthi ujoke mfethu but ijoke yakho iyamdicelela phansi omunye umuntu, you know. Athi omunye umuntu esolve a problem ukuthi uthi nje hey yazi nina nihleze ninkinga, you guys are always mocking problems, you know. You're always making mistakes, you know. It's a subtle thing but izohlala ekhanda lakho, you'll second guess yourself, you'll end up thinking hayibo mhlambe nami ngempela I'm always making mistakes. No, kanti uthola ukuthi at times it's not even a mistake but they are playing your head, the mind game. It's an art of control and manipulation. Mfethu ngidlule kwenye into nansi enye into mfethu uthola umuntu nanisebenza naye engekho that driven but understand the mind games. Afike kuwena vuma athi yazi vuma mfethu lo muntu esireporta kuyena is a horrible boss, you know this guy is bad, horrible, but you know what I'm going to do for you guys, ngizohamba ngiyodila naye mina on your behalf so that you guys ningeke nilote ndila naye because this guy is bad, yabo. Afike laphana befriend iboss nina niqhele nina nithi hayi no akahamba uyeye ayokhuluma neboss ngoba vese lo mjita lona unenhliziyo embe, uyeye akahamba uyodila nafike lapha befriend iboss. Before you know it, this guy uyeye usiyapromote manje niyaxayeka how uyeye upromote kanjani. Nisebenza as a group kodwa nithi nisebenza as a group, uthathe emsebenzini afika ipresent kwiboss, angithi untshena ukuthi this boss is horrible. And you must notice, be careful of this. Be careful of abantu abazothi mabekubona ukhuluma nomphathi omkhulu bese bethi hey ngikubone nomphathi lapha benikhuluma ngani. Those people mfethu have ama-tactics, they wanna know each and everything. Understand ama-mind games. Ngeke uzukhule in a corporate world mainly if you understand ama-mind games. The last point mfethu, you must know ukuthi akekho umuntu one-right ukuthi kufana kubize ngo-son and daughter in the workplace. That is
ayiphinde thulana
ngibona abantu bemanipulate bengakhulu simply because they embrace this thing yokubizwa nge-son and daughter in the workplace. Angikhathali umuntu osebenza naye mfethu unengane engangawe. Be careful of people who keep calling you my son, my daughter. Hey young man, you'll find yourself uba sebhodleleni. You are supposed to grow, but these people, because they refer to you as your son, in fact, I am for respect, but a stone partner without calling each other sons and daughters and fathers in the workplace siyalingana. We have to produce results. Ngingathi mase kufana ngithola report kuwena ubusungikhumbuza ukuthi hey, yazi njalo ingane yami ilingana now, that thing in a subtle way, subconsciously you are conditioning me manje ukuthi I must treat you in a certain way because when you are old enough to be my parent, but this is the workplace. I can respect you and honor without becoming your son and daughter in the workplace. God is love mfethu. Understand the mind games, especially if you want to grow. If you want to grow, when you're concerned with growth, understand the mind games. Without understand the mind games, uzobona abanye abantu bekhula wena ungakhuli. God is love. Amen.
Thulani kumede. If you ngenese iseqakaleni ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi uyayithanda inkulumo yakhe, uyakha kakhulu. Uthi careful afa abantu abakhuluma nawe kanti bayacontrola.
Yes.
Athe yazi yayinhle ingubo kodwa uyibona ukuthi kube kuthiwa uyiqhubeke kanje ngabe
yes mfowethu
ugcine ngempela ususaba ngisho ukuphuma endlini ngazange approve.
Yes
in a subtle way.
Yes.
Ungaze futhi uquleke mengathi wazi wamuhle mngami uyibuza ukuthi kwenze njani. No athi ave kukuhle mawuyiqhubeke kanje.
Yes
njalo kufanele kube khona into ethi
uthi kube compliment. Yeah.
Okay should yini uyazazi ukuthi yena vele inferior akazithembi lento azayifaka kuwena. Be careful of oh my goodness.
Yeah. Yes, that's correct. Yes.
Siyabuya ke ngokuzoyithola on Gagasi FM YouTube channel and also even on Facebook. If you don't got to khona manje this morning after 6 we will now also load it on the Gagasi FM